See what I found. How a snail entered into another one. I don't know how it happened, but I noticed that the one down is not alive. There's nothing inside it, but this one entered inside. I don't know how they managed to do it. Don't know how the small one entered inside this one. You can see some broken parts of the big one. You can see. So I don't know how come. Though where I saw it, they supported themselves. I picked it to come and video it. That's why it's not staying as I found them. I was not with my phone then. It was somewhere else. My phone was not with me, so I had to carry the way they positioned themselves. But I mean the way they got stalked. But I couldn't position it the way they positioned themselves when I saw it. See the way this one entered inside this. I don't know whether it's trying to form another one or what. I don't know what is going on here. Nature. God's creations. You can't question it.